Hey, it's Brooke Napier, Realtor with the Plowman team, and today we're touring our newest home for sale at 40 McGill Drive in beautiful Janetville. Let's take a look. This bright and open raised bungalow is located just steps to Lake Scugog as well as backs onto the golf course. Imagine waking up every morning in your primary bedroom with views of beautiful Lake Scugog. Take a look at the other two bedrooms and I'll meet you downstairs. Downstairs, we've got a big, bright area with loads of windows as well as another bedroom. Thanks so much for staying to the end of our tour. Again, it's Brooke Napier, Realtor with the Plowman team. As always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our new listings. And if you like what you see here, be sure to give the number above a call for your private tour.